Hello friends, today we are going to draw a very easy and fun sketch. The king of the jungle, the lion. It's perfect for beginners. And while we draw, let's also learn some interesting facts about lions. Lions are the only cats that live in groups. A group of lions is called a pride and can have up to 30 lions. A lion's roar can be heard from 8 kilometers away. That's as far as 80 football fields. Lions sleep for about 20 hours a day. That's even more than a house cat. Lions can run up to 50 miles per hour, but only for a short time. They are built for power, not stamina. They are called king of the jungle, but they actually live in grasslands and savannas, not jungles. Lions are excellent swimmers. Lions can eat up to 40 kg of food in one meal. That's about as much as 160 hamburgers.